Topps Triple Threads Mini Box Break 2006, number 7. Use this box here. Okay. Sign. Too many boxes. Maybe. Okay. Side. Too many boxes. Okay. So for this break, I'll do this box here. Okay. All right. Okay. Good luck, everybody. Okay. First card. Denver Broncos. Tatum Bell. Serial number on that's going to be a 101 out of 1199. Plaxico Burress. New York Giants. It's going to be an 893 out of 1199. Chris Brown, Tennessee Titans. That one's going to be a 222 out of 1199. For the Colts, Marvin Harrison, 77 out of 199. For the Cleveland Browns, Charlie Fry, 315 out of 499. And last but not least, Chicago Bears, Walter Payton. Very nice. And that is, get the serial off for this one. I believe that's an 8 out of 9. Nice pieces of jersey. Very cool. Okay. Just a reminder, that was Topps Triple Threads, Mini Box Break, 2006. Number 7. Stay tuned for the next one. Topps Triple Threads, 2006. Mini Box Break number 8. Should be this box right here. Congrats to all the winners.